Hi everybody, Sarah Elijah Scherer here, two-time Olympian as well as registered dietitian nutritionist, and I'm excited to come to you guys today on National Cookie Day. Oh my gosh, I love cookies, but it's really important for them to be not only delicious, but nutritious for me. So this is my core recipe that you can kind of use as a base to build off of with whatever flavors you prefer. And so this is going to be a cookie dough recipe that you can bake or eat raw. So to start off, we have to have, of course, our life shake. 2 scoops of your preferred life shake. Then you're going to take a 1/4 cup of flour, chickpea flour, coconut flour, all those work really, really well. And then you're going to take a 1/2 cup of almond butter, nut butter, whatever it may be, your preference. Make sure it's natural and unsweetened. You're going to do a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I prefer only a teaspoon of honey, but you can go up or down depending on your sweet preference. And then finally, 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk. You can do soy milk, almond milk, normal milk, whatever it may be that suits your fancy. You're going to combine all these together into like a super delicious, gooey, crumbly texture, and then we're going to pack them together into either ball or cookie shapes. I'm going to show you guys that right now. What you're going to do is you're going to take a scoopful and you're going to put it into your hand, and you're going to press it together, and that's how you're going to either make your cookie shape or your cookie dough ball shape if you want them to be protein balls. And you can refrigerate overnight or for a couple hours if you want to do the cookie dough protein balls, or you can also flatten them out like this, and then you can bake them just like you would a cookie. Now for my mix-ins here, I did the cafe latte life shake, and then I added in a little bit of a nutmeg, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of cloves, and then some chocolate and oats. Another one of my favorites is to make a double chocolate. So take the chocolate life shake, add some more chocolate. Oh my gosh, chocolate galore, but it is so, so good and delicious. Now I'm going to jump to my baked finished version to show you guys. Here we have the finished product baked at 350 for about 5 to 10 minutes. So as you can see here, I just had a little bit of a bite, so I have chocolate all over my hands now because it's so good. I couldn't wait. These kind of have a little bit of that kind of crumbly, gooey cookie texture, as you can kind of see here. Delicious melted chocolate. Oh my gosh, so, so good. I absolutely love this combination of flavors. You can do so many things though with the vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, whatever it may be, life shake. And so many ways to get delicious and nutritious, quick, easy snacks or on-the-go options for you and your family. Thanks so much for watching.